This is the wake their roommate up at 7 o'clock in the morning with the dirt bike. With no muffler on it.